little brother. In all my other channels, I didn't show him because he was always at school, but yeah, because I got home at 1 o'clock and he goes home at 5 o'clock, so it's really different. And yeah, so yeah, today we're gonna make croissants, and we've got some sesame seeds, some of these. We got some flour. We got a rolling pin. We got some sprinkles and Guys, if you don't know how to make pastries, here's the demonstration. My brother's gonna pour some flour around the table so it doesn't stick to the table, the pastries. I need you to take out the pastry. Okay, then you unfold it. Guys, it's not really me that's cooking, but my brother's helping me. So yeah, he's my little helper for today. He's going to roll out the dough, like he's doing now. He already knows the rules because he made it with me once. You should check that video. And remember to subscribe. So, as you know, my brother is rolling the pastry. I don't know what. Going very good. Very good. As you can see, my brother is rolling now. My brother is just gonna keep on talking. Hey guys, I'm gonna roll like the pin like this, or you can roll it like that, but I'm just gonna do it like this because then it's quick. I should have put some powder on me first. That and that. Gonna go up. That's very hard there. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go down. It's not perfect, but it doesn't need to be perfect. Look, minus some powder. Then we forgot to show you guys the chocolate that we're going to add in. You know kids love chocolate, but, yeah. Because we're not kids, we want chocolate, but. Pica. My brother did a little bit too thin, but that's fine. Practice makes perfect. He's still learning. It's perfect. Look how perfect he did it, guys. Give him a clap. Put some egg on, and then we're gonna put some sesame seeds on, and then we're gonna cook it, and then we're gonna eat. So, guys, we're gonna break up all the blocks now, and then we're gonna put it on the triangles that we made. You guys can see now. As you can see, my brother's putting them on the thin ones, so we're gonna have tiny baby ones. But it's cute! Fold this jacket up. So you're gonna fold the corners so that it can be croissants. That's right. As you can see, I grew it smaller. And yeah, so yeah, as my brother said, he's the one. So we need to fold on, look like a croissant, like that. And that's it. Go to my sister. I can smell it up. Anyway, yeah. We got a baby one. Here you go. This, press down, just gonna go like that. Here, look, you get it, come. Oh, didn't see you guys there. So now we're gonna put all the pastries down like this. Look at this giant one. Look at this. Look at these. Okay, now we're gonna put all of them there.
the paintbrush.
Paint on the paper now. We're gonna paint the egg on the pastries. Sesame seeds or sprinkles on them. You don't have to, but we like sesame seeds and we also like sprinkles. I don't like sprinkles that much. They're really sweet.
You can see that I'm going to put it on now so that make croissant.
Okay, now we're just gonna spread it around. Let my brother show you, for example. Like that. And that's not 2 croissants. That's a whole one. I mean, that's so big. Okay, as you can see, we basically just spring around here now. I'm trying to fast because I have to go somewhere. And yeah.
Now you don't see.
Okay, let's do it.
Do you want to go now?
Okay. Basically, that's what we're gonna do. We're done with that. We're gonna put some sprinkles on some of them. Mine we're not gonna put on because I don't like squiggly lines, okay? Yours. On Alex's, we're gonna put some seeds on.
Do you want seeds? Do you want one? Oh, it's my underwears.
This is my brothers. There just need some on the last one, Alex, this one.
This is mine from that one. The sprinkles.